Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys fingerprint lock setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you remove your fingerprint lock in your Samsung phone device. Guys you want to remove guys your fingerprint lock means guys you want to delete your fingerprint, so guys you can delete. And guys now let's see how to delete fingerprint in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to remove your fingerprint lock. Then guys scroll it. Then guys you can see this type of setting. Guys click on your lock screen setting, screen lock type. Guys draw your pattern. Again scroll guys, you can see fingerprint. Guys tap here and guys click on this swipe option first of all. Then guys you can see remove this data. Yes guys, we want to remove our fingerprint lock. Then guys your fingerprint lock will remove. Then guys you cannot use your guys your fingerprint lock in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to delete fingerprint lock in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Then guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.